I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on overlay screens, just click on it here. So then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to show missed calls, delete summary here. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean show missed calls, delete summary enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.